de la Cruz here, and if you're new in this channel, welcome. Thank you for coming by and thank you for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe in the button here below, and yeah, that's it. Yes, there's a lot of things going on this week, and wow, it's so encouraging. A lot of you have commented in the video, the first video that I made. Really thank you guys for watching and for appreciating and for all those encouraging words. Some of you have messaged me also personally in Instagram, and those are really nice. Then yeah, there are possible collaborations that could happen. And interesting that I had messages from field of agriculture, someone in just a small business entrepreneur, someone who's also starting up something who wants to be featured. I think these are interesting stories that I am excited to feature. So it's a little late, and I just woke up. I'm sorry that this vlog is a little late, but anyway, I am gonna talk to you about something that is very familiar to me, because I dove here very many times, and that is a place called Anilao Batangas. I want you to watch this short montage first. Anyway, I want to convince you, not really convince, but I want to give 3 reasons why you should consider Anilao Batangas as your next escapade. So the first reason is that Anilao is actually the nudibranch capital of the world. If you don't know what nudibranch is, this is it. They are very cute. They're basically sea slugs. Of course, when you hear the word slug, it sounds very disgusting, you know? And in most countries, yes, they just look like green and slimy and whatever. But in the Philippines, specifically in Anilao Batangas, the nudibranchs are colorful. I don't have a lot of wonderful photos of it because my GoPro can't, but my friends have. And look at those. Those exist in Anilao Batangas, and most of these nudibranchs, these rare nudibranchs, can only be found in Batangas, not anywhere else in the Philippines or not anywhere else in the world. That's why it's called nudibranch capital of the world. Yeah. Okay, for the second point, Anilao is actually very close to the center of marine biodiversity in this world. Wow! Center of the center. That means that in that small island, it's called Verde Island, you would see so much more marine creatures than anywhere else combined in the world, in the ocean. We should take advantage of that, right? And this brings me to my third point. Third point is that it's That's 6. But anyway, third point is that it's only 3 hours away, 3 to 4 hours away from Manila. Guys, 3 to 4 hours away. It's just like you went from Makati to Quezon City on a really bad traffic. You know, it is so near. I think that Anilao is one of the most taken for granted places in the Philippines. Because they think, oh, beaches in Batangas is not as nice as El Nido. Yes, that's true. El Nido, Coron, Boracay, and all these white beaches in the south, like Visayas and like that area in Palawan, their beaches are really wonderful. Yes, Batangas cannot probably match those, but if we're talking about the underwater world, the Coral Garden, I would say that Batangas would still be the top class from all over the Philippines that I've dove. And I dove a lot. I dove a lot in a lot of places. And I would say that Anilao still is the most colorful coral garden in the Philippines. So yes, thank you again for watching. If you like this, please like, and then if you want to see and hear and watch more stories of people and places, please subscribe. I'll be posting weekly, and in fact, in the future, I'm thinking of posting like twice or thrice every week so that I could update you more. I'll be traveling with Mike and Nelly starting tomorrow. My flight is tomorrow, going to Malapascua again. Hopefully we could get more content and more wonderful stories of people and places. So see you, and let me know in the comment what you think of this vlog, what you think about Malapascua, if it does anything about your perception or anything. Yeah. Thank you again, and see you underwater or maybe above water or eating. I don't know. Bye bye. Plus, if you don't, I know you know this. I only have this and my curtain as my background, so maybe I'll improve on that next time. Bye.